Good day, guys. Been here. Yesterday we did this railing, curved glazed railing. Okay, so we tried the first method. We modeled this panel as one continuous rail, and then we created some little 10 by 10 baluster to pretend there are gap between these panel. So this is the first method. So I tried the second. Actually, I tried the second method yesterday, but I had some issue with that method. Couldn't get it to work. But today we're going to try again. Okay, so I'm going to, let me just copy this one. Oops. Sorry, there are some face-based family. So I'm going to select these two, the floor and also this railing. Just CC, copy to here. And now I'm going to start another railing from this one. So edit, duplicate, I'll just call it 2. Okay, so for this one, we're going to model this panel, curved panel, and place them. So just place them 1, 2, 3, 4, like with a gap, real gap. Okay, so so I'm going to click OK, and we need to create a panel. Okay, so let's do it. We're going to create a family. So we're going to use the I think it's baluster post. We're going to use this template. Okay, so this is post, and remember, when you first start a baluster family, it's always in its left elevation. So for this one, I'm going to do it in floor plan. So go to floor plan. So first we need some reference plans, and a dimension equal and another dimension. So this will be the width of. So this will be the width of this panel. So let's call it W and OK. So now, hang on, let me think. What we need to do is we're going to create a sweep, but before we create a sweep, we're going to use a reference line. So create a reference line. So this this curved shape, it will be something like, hang on, sorry, wrong one. So reference and pick this star and radius arc. So it will be something like this. Okay, so imagine this is a post when it's being placed into a railing, and it become a panel. Okay, so we need to create some more reference plans to constrain this, so we can we can change the width. So currently, we can, but we want this point at this point, the midpoint of this arc, stay here. Okay, so let me think what's next. Okay, so we're going to add some more reference plans. So this is the one, and also let me try again. So if I drag this one, so you can see it's still not fixed onto this one. So to fix this point at this here, we need to use a little bit of trigonometry formula. So let me just explain this. So I'll just do a screenshot. Hang on, let me just use thing TL, maybe change the scale so you can see this. It's a bit thick. So now let's do a screenshot, and then I'm going to, so this is an arc. Okay, and then there will be a center point of this arc. See here, and okay, and then if I connect this one, so this will be the radius. and also hang on, what's next? Okay, so I think, okay, so and then if I connect these, so this is a right angle triangle, and this one, so this will be half of the width. And what's this one? So let's call this x. So in this right angle triangle, we know that x squared plus w divided by 2, so this one square equals r squared. So from this we can get x equals something. Okay, so this is a formula for the x. Once we have this x, we can hang on, sorry, my brain's not working. So once we have x, and okay, once we have x, so and then because, so see this one's r. Okay, so this is r as well. So if I connect from this to here, so that's r, and we can get this one. Let's call it y. Y equals r minus x. So we can have this one. We can have, of course, so this is r, right? So we can this is a base. So this is a base, the origin of this family. So we need to make this arc sitting here, and then yeah, it's a little bit hard to explain this actually. So I'm going to just do it, okay? So you can see how we can achieve this. So we need a reference plane. So let me just RP here, and I'll just dimension this and create a parameter. Let's call it R. And also this one, I'm going to create a radius. Hang on, no. Check this center mark. Okay, and then I'm going to align this to this reference plane. Okay, and then I'll just create this radius and apply, just assign this radius to it. So now you can see, so this will this point will stay here. So, and then because we haven't add any formula, so you can see this point is not sitting here. So now we're going to do it. So go to family types. We have R, we have width, and so sorry, we haven't had this Y. Okay, Y equals minus x. So let's just add a dimension to it. Let's call it y. Call it y. And so actually we can actually skip this x because x equals this. So we could directly add this formula to here. So we don't even need x. So let's do it equals r minus. So from this one we can get square root r square minus w divided by 2 square. So this is a formula. So for y. Okay. So let's go to family types. Let me have a look again. R minus. Okay. Go to y. R minus. Okay. SQRT bracket r square minus bracket w divided by 2 bracket and then square and then bracket again. So I think this should work. Okay, so click on OK. So now you can see this reference plane will be placed exactly here. So at this end of this arc. Okay, so now let's have a test. So if I go to family types, maybe I'll change the let me change the R first to make it more like a straight. I'll make it 1 meter. So now you will see something's not right. Okay, I think it's probably because we didn't. So you can see this point, the center point go up. So maybe we should just Control Z and then constrain this center mark onto this reference plane. Let's try AL, align, and lock. Okay, so now let's try again. So go to family types, change the width to 1 meter. Okay, it doesn't work. Maybe, oh, hang on. So sorry, change the R first. So because when we change the width too big, so when you can see this R stay this small, it won't even touch that reference plane there. So I'll change this one back so to roughly 200 and change the R to 1 meter. Apply. So now you can see it's become, oh, hang on. It looks like, yeah, it's not right. It's along with, let me Control Z, and again, I'll constrain this reference line. So, and also I'll type V, just VV, and turn on the automatic sketch dimensions. So you can see all these blue temporary dimension. Let's try to constrain this endpoint. Okay, and also align this. So I think that should be good. So let's try. So again, this time I'll just increase this slowly. Okay, so 300, good. And I'll increase this one slowly. Yeah, good. And this one, let's try 1 meter now. Yeah, so it works now. And also width 1 meter. Great. So now, so this is it. This is an arc which we can use radius and width to control. Okay, so now we can create this panel. So let's go to, we can just do it here. Create, sweep, pick path, pick this one, finish, go edit profile. So let's go to front view. So I'm not going to add any thickness parameter to it. So I'm just gonna just draw something like this. And also, actually, hang on, let me just cancel this. Cancel this. So I wanted to have a look and see what those reference planes are. So this one's top or post. Not too sure. Maybe I'll try this one first. Okay, I'll try this top. So let's do it again. Go to floor plan, create, sweep, pick path, pick this reference line, tick, edit profile. Let's go to front and rectangle. Just draw something like this and drag this onto this top reference plane and lock it. Oh, hang on. I click on the wrong thing. Do that. Or maybe we can just use align and lock. Okay. And then select this one. So I'm going to just drag this witness point, witness line to here, and then type in 5. And then this one. So this one's onto this line, so I'll just type in 10, so make it 10 mil altogether. And then I'll change the scale so you can see that's 10 mil. Okay, so finish and finish. So now we can also give it a material. So I'll just type in glass. Usually glass material is always available in most of the family template. Go to 3D view. So this is it. Let me change the scale. So this is the panel, curved panel. So now if I go to, oh, wrong one, sorry. If I go to family types, so we can adjust one. So 1.5 meter, it will become flatter, and width. Okay, so if I change the width, yeah, oh good. So now this is the panel. Now we can load this one into the project. Oh, hang on. Looks like because the family 1, because we already have family 1, so let's save as, so change the family name. I'll call it 1AA, oh, X. I'll just save it on desktop. Save, and I'll load this one into the project. Now we can start to change this family. So select this one, so it's already duplicated. So name 2, so let's directly go to edit type. We're going to keep the handrail and all the support. We're going to get rid of the railing, so it's on the rail structure, not continuous. Oh, hang on. Why it's called non-continuous? To me, I think it's continuous. Anyway, edit, get rid of this, delete, apply. Okay, apply. Okay, so, and also we're not going to use these. So go to baluster, and so which is this. We need to change. Okay, so change this one from this 10 by 10 to the family we just did. And also we need to adjust the setting. So you need to remember what the width of that family is. I think it's 1.2. So so this is the top offset, the height. So this will be 1.2. We need to place it like 600, start from one end, and then I think roughly, not very sure, just place 600. And also I'll change this one to maybe center. Okay, yeah, let's just have a try. Apply. Okay, looking good. So you can see there's overlapping here, and also the radius is not quite right, so you can see it's not perfect match the floor, but that's fine. We can fix that. So first we're going to adjust the spacing, so it creates some gaps between those panels. So edit type, baluster. So we're going to just add slightly, maybe 620, maybe. Apply, better. So let me just turn off the thing on TL. Okay, so that's a very small. Maybe we need, we should add a little bit more, maybe 5 mil or 10 mil. So let's go to go here, 625 and 625. Oh, that's too big. Don't know, maybe 622. 6.2. I'm not sure if yeah, you can just have a test. So just you can probably even have different number, but I think this should work. Yeah, that's it. So now you can see they are individual panels, and then there's a gap between them. Now we just need to adjust the curve. So let's first have a look, edit boundary. So the radius, okay, 1.7. And then we just need to go to into your project browser on the family railing. Where's railing? Okay, so this one, and then click on the plus and double click on the family type. So because we have this one, so that this is the radius. So if we type in 1.7 meter, apply, and now they will match. Okay, and then that's it. And you can see, and there's a gap between them because we use this offset from path. So to have roughly, I'm not sure how much the distance, the actual distance, but looks like 50. Yeah, it looks quite close. Okay, so if I type in 0, it will go. Looks like it's half touching, but yeah, which means if you need exactly 50, probably needed 55, and then yeah. But that should be okay. And I think this is it. And the handrail will be the same, so you can try to adjust. You can go to the setting of the handrail, so you can use tab tab, select handrail, edit tab, edit type, sorry, and then you can adjust these settings here. Or you can go to the setting, go to the edit type of the railing, the whole railing. You can also go down and then find this type and click on here, and then it's the same thing. Okay. And then once again, you can adjust these to wherever you want them. Okay, so what else? So let me let's add another one. Not another one, just do another test, but I'll change this one slightly. So make it just 1 meter radius, and then I'll select this one, CS, create similar. I'll just do a half circle, finish. Okay, so then we just need to, so you can see now we need to adjust this. But because this one, if you need to keep both, you need to go to your railing family. So you need to right click, duplicate, just create a different one. So this time I'll just give it 1 meter. And then you will need to go select this one, edit type, duplicate. Let's call it a new one, 3, and in this baluster. And you need to change this one to the new one. And yeah, let's click OK, apply, OK, and then that's it. And then the same, you can offset from path, and you still need to adjust because there will be different widths, different radius. You need to adjust the baluster spacing to achieve. So maybe I'll just quickly let's try 640. Close. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Yeah, 645. 645. Apply, and then that's it. Yeah. So, for example, we can change the number of these support. So fixed distance. Maybe we can just use fixed number, and then 2, for example. 2 and 4. Okay, and that's it. So I will upload this family so you can have a play. Other than that, maybe I'll just keep that one because this is slightly different. Yeah, if you have any other a suggestion or better ideas, better solution, I mean using railing, right? So we can probably create some other type of family for this, so like line based or adaptive family or even curtain wall. But if you have any other method using railing, please let me know. Okay, so that's it for today. If you sorry, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.